This market is about to break bullish. Hey guys, what's going on? Jeb here, and in today's video, I'm going to be explaining to you why I believe that a major bullish breakout will be coming in just the next couple of days. Everything from Larry Fink's glowing review of Bitcoin to the cryptocurrency market's response to the fake Cointelegraph news yesterday indicates that we are just about to see a major breakthrough on BTC. In today's episode, I'm going to break down for you exactly why a breakout on Bitcoin might be just around the corner. So without much further ado, let's go ahead and dive right on into it. It all started with Cointelegraph. As you know, yesterday, through a very unfortunate series of events, Cointelegraph falsely posted that Blackrock had approved the Bitcoin iShares spot ETF. While that turned out to not be true, it did spark a certain comment from Blackrock CEO Larry Fink, who is literally the most powerful man in finance. Quote, Larry Fink said that the cryptocurrency rally signaled pent-up interest in crypto, and he also stated, I think there's more people running into a flight to quality, whether that is in treasuries, gold, or crypto, depending on how you think of it, and I believe crypto will play that type of role as a flight to quality. So, on the one hand, we have the most powerful man in finance speaking. On the other hand, he lumps cryptocurrency, and he probably meant Bitcoin, but for legal reasons, because they're in the process of getting a Bitcoin ETF approved, he's not allowed to say the word Bitcoin. He lumps Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, however you want to look at it, into the risk-off category of essentially the zero-risk investment pool of Treasury/T-bills and gold. That is an incredible statement. In fact, that may be one of the most glowing reviews that we have ever received of Bitcoin. Again, I can't stress enough, the most powerful man in finance saying that crypto, and he probably meant Bitcoin, is right up there alongside what most investors consider to be zero-risk investments. They're not truly zero risk, but they consider them to be zero-risk investments in treasuries and in gold. That is a review of Bitcoin that we should not ignore. Now, for those reasons, I believe that Bitcoin's about to go through a breakout, and I'm going to show you the chart now. Even as I record this, Bitcoin is setting itself up to break out bullish, and there is a very high likelihood that by the time I'm able to get this video out, Bitcoin has already broken bullish. But the story so far is as follows. About 48 hours ago on Sunday, we saw in the early morning hours, Bitcoin began a new rally and showed considerable bullishness. 24 hours later, we had the false Cointelegraph story that the Blackrock ETF had been approved, and we saw, as Larry Fink said, the pent-up interest in the cryptocurrency space. As we speak, Bitcoin seems to be concluding a bull flag with a double bottom here that is likely going to break us further to the upside, and there's a few reasons I believe that'll occur. First and foremost, we have a confirmed Lux Algo buy signal that came into play on Sunday around noon, and that take profit is currently sitting between 28.8 and 29.1. It is very likely, in my opinion, that we're going to see Bitcoin rally all the way up to that level, especially considering we saw a reconfirmed buy signal recently. By the way, if you've not signed up for Lux Algo, you can save almost $500 by signing up for Lux Algo's annual plan using coupon code JEB30, that's JEBB30 for 30% off at checkout. I use Lux Algo every single time I do technical analysis and trading, but if you do sign up for it, it does also help to support the channel and what we do here, so thank you very much to everybody who has done that. But it's not just Lux Algo that suggests that we're about to see a rally. It's also the MACD and the RSI. A couple of things to note here. First and foremost, we did have a bearish cross on MACD, but Bitcoin continued trading sideways. That is suggestive of bullish pressure. Secondly, we are moving towards a bullish cross right now, well above the zero line. That is also suggestive of bullishness. We're also at the very moment looking to break above the 14 interval moving average, which would be a sign of strength for the market. And at the same time, we are looking at an uptrend on this double bottom and a downtrend here on the double bottom on RSI. That's known as bullish RSI divergence, and that does speak of bullishness. Furthermore, looking at the hourly chart, you can see that Bitcoin is, as I record this, breaking bullish above this downtrending level of resistance and attempting to break above 28.5. I'm going to try and edit this video quickly because this might happen very soon. We can also see that the Bollinger Bands have constricted very tightly, and a lot of times that recommends that we're going to see a breakout quite aggressively relatively soon. If you remember to CT2A, Principles of Technical Analysis, any of the videos I talk about Bollinger Bands, they go through cycles of widening or expansion and contraction or getting smaller. And when you have very tight Bollinger Bands, oftentimes that speaks of a major volatility movement coming soon. And that movement of volatility will probably be to the upside for a couple of reasons. Number one, all the reasons that we've already spoken about, but also the fact that about 24 to 28 hours ago, when that news from Cointelegraph broke, again, it was fake news, but it did happen, we cleared out the order books up here. The entire sell wall vanished. So the sell pressure that was all the way up to $30,000 has only been there for 24 hours because all of it was gone. That means that the path to $30,000 is a lot simpler, and at the same time, when the fake news came out from Cointelegraph, Larry Fink did not come out and say, oh man, we made a mistake. We should not have gone down the process of investing in Bitcoin and crypto. we made a mistake. Oopsie, this market is a complete mess. This is a dumpster fire. Let's just get out of it. That's not what he said. He said essentially that crypto, and again, he probably meant Bitcoin, but for legal reasons, he can't say Bitcoin. Bitcoin, we'll just say, is in the same league as T-bills and gold. One of those is backed up by the most powerful military, navy, and economy on planet Earth, that being the United States, and the other has been appreciating in value and beating inflation for, about 6,000 years. Also happen to have some of it on my finger. That is an extraordinary statement to say that Bitcoin is in that category. So the fact that this debacle did not scare away Larry Fink, but instead emboldened him, seemingly, is good news for Bitcoin. So, is a movement coming soon? I do believe so, and I believe that that movement will be happening potentially even as soon as today. There's always an opportunity that Bitcoin could drop, but I do believe that a movement bullish will be happening sooner than later. What's your takeaway? Well, there's obviously a buying opportunity here if you know how to take advantage of it. You could look for an entry somewhere around here above our current levels and probably just right around or maybe even a little bit below this high that we set at 1,500 hours yesterday. An exit, well, it's pretty obvious where that exit might be, probably up here around 29.9, which is the level that we rallied to yesterday on the fake news. That could give you a trade setup that would look something like this. Again, go for at least a 3 to 4x risk to reward ratio. I'm not interested in giving you exact numbers or the exact levels because I think that you need to do that on your own, and I'm not here for you to copy trade. I'm here to teach you how to trade. There's a big difference, but I do believe that there's a trading opportunity for those that have the eyes to see it. If you've not already learned how to do technical analysis that you may be able to trade profitably, then I highly recommend you check out Club DeFi's Principles of Technical Analysis with the link in the description box down below, where I will teach you everything that you need to know about technical analysis so that you can get started in your trading journey. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the post notification bell so you won't miss any content. But before I go, I do just first want to thank each and every single last one of you for watching, as always, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.